Hi Aquarius, this is your March 2014 astrological reading, your horoscope. So I'll be focusing more on tarot cards from now on. Instead of doing 24 videos, I'll just do 12. So just focus on the tarot card readings. And if I feel like I want to mention the new moon and if it relates to the cards and it flows, I will definitely do that. So this March month is a big jump off, okay? So what I'm going to do at the end of the video is mention the year of the horse and what I feel for that for you Aquarius, and also the number, the numerology um, number for the year. Okay, so we have, for 3 months, we have two planets in retrograde. This is Mars and this is Saturn. So we have Mars going retrograde in Libra on March 1st to May 20th. Okay, and Libra is saying what does not fit, we're not going to do it. Libra is saying to you Aquarius, the air sign, is to take a deep breath, get really relaxed and comfortable, and realize, okay, Mars is a fighting energy. Whatever is upsetting you, whoever is around you that's upsetting you, you're going to just ignore them. Okay, you're just going to try to find balance is the main message for the first week of March. Okay, then you have Saturn in retrograde in Scorpio, and this is happening March 2nd to July 20th. So what this is saying is Scorpio is all about loyalty and transition, okay? So what you want to do here is really look at how slow things might seem to be going for you, how further away certain goals seem to you. You feel like there's blockages, things aren't moving the way that you probably would like them to. And everyone is experiencing this on some level because you have two planets going retrograde at the same time. Things will work itself out. We have March 6th where Jupiter in Cancer is going direct. So Jupiter is going direct in Cancer. Cancer is all about nurturing and family and healing and just that home essence, that compassion, okay? And here's Jupiter. Jupiter is known as the planet of luck. So you're going to feel a boost of positivity and allow yourself to feel that things will work out right, and the steps that you're taking, things will change and move forward. This energy, that feeling that you're going to inject into everything that you do. Okay, so March 6th is going to have Jupiter going direct, that planet of love, that energy, that forward moving thinking energy. Okay, then we have a new moon this month in March, and we have a full moon in March as well. So March 1st, the first week, like I said, the first week is just like jam packed. The first week, March 1st, is a new moon in Pisces. Okay, and Pisces, this is a creative time. This is a time to really let go, let free. Okay, a time to really realize awakening energy, realize what it is that you truly want to do. And you might have realized it already, but now is the time for you to actually put action towards it. And it's a time to kind of like a rebirth, a new energy, a cleansing, a connecting to what you really are passionate about in your imagination, your thoughts. You know this, okay? Then for the beginning of the month, and then now you're going to come to the 16th of the month where there's a full moon in Virgo. And what Virgo is saying is remembering. This is the key, is you remembering. Okay, remembering what it is that you truly want to do. So you are, at the beginning of the month, you have that Pisces water sign, right? So you're an air sign with a lot of water essence, a lot of water energy. So really get yourself motivated at the first of the month, which is tomorrow. And then here comes a full moon in Virgo. And Virgo is an earth sign saying, okay, whatever happened in the beginning of March, it's time for you to get refocused in. And that's for everyone. It's about a focus, a grounding energy, and an organizing energy. Okay, you know what you want to do, but maybe you've jotted down the plans of how you're going to get there. Well, Virgo is saying, let's look at how you want to get there, Aquarius. What can you do what one thing can you do, this one solid thing you can do that will benefit you to do all the other fun things that you want to do. It's kind of that energy. Okay, now the whole year, this is the year of the horse. Okay, so with this yang energy, this is saying to you, things will be revealed. This is the energy. I mentioned it before for the January video. Things will be revealed. So what have you noticed that happened during this year that's been revealed to you? Okay, a lot of changes probably happened. March is your month of saying, okay, it's still the beginning of the year. March is like, that's it. This is it. Moving forward, what you've done is revealed to you, or if you're not looking closely at yourself, and this is for every sign, if you're not looking closely at yourself, look at yourself and say, okay, what have I revealed to myself? What's this awakening? What's this March saying? Okay, this springtime, this cleansing, this new essence, this new energy. It's a year of revealing. This horse is like, okay, it's revealed. People are not going to have time for any kind of nonsense, okay? So this is the energy. So be honest with self and move forward is what it's saying, because if you don't want it to be revealed, it's going to be revealed. You can't hide anything really, right? So now you have the year, the number of the year, the numerology number of the year is 8. So 2014, 2014, 8. And for Aquarius, I have finances. So this is saying in my notes is realistic and authority over self, not really over others. The message is authority over self is what 8 is saying for you. How can you be a manager, a leading force for self? And then look at things realistically. Okay, realistically, look at that for yourself. And then for your finances, you're looking at that realistically too, because it's everything that you're doing right now is going to set the trend for the rest of the year. I hope you like this. You can definitely contact me for your own personal astrological readings. So these videos were just like my demo of everything. So for my notes for you guys, 8 is saying really it's a strong energy in getting for Aquarius, which is like your finances, looking at things realistically and really being a manager of self. I hope you like this video and you guys have a wonderful March and take advantage of all the new moon and the full moon that's happening. And I just hope you guys have a wonderful year. Thank you for all the support, sharing the videos. And if you like the reading, please feel free to donate to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Keep it going. And that's it. Have a wonderful March.